Good morning all of you. I Razia Pathan from Gandhaji Vidyapit Standard 5th. So students, in the previous lecture में हम लोग सीख रहे थे HCF, right? HCF हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर्स. हम लोग क्या सीख रहे थे अभी तक? हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर्स. इन दैट फैक्टर्स ऑलरेडी वी completed that worksheet number 14 and worksheet number 15. Now today we start LCM. HCM हम लोगों ने सीखा था हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर्स. नाउ विल स्टार्ट LCM. ठीक है, LCM दैट मीन्स the LCM of the lowest common multiples. LCM means lowest common multiples of two numbers is the smallest number that the present in the tables of the both the numbers. Now हम लोग जो टेबल्स बोलेंगे उसमें सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से वो हम फाइंड करेंगे मल्टीपल्स का. ठीक है, एंड मीनिंग ऑफ द LCM दैट lowest common multiples. Meaning of the LCM is lowest common multiples. So now today we'll start worksheet number 16 and worksheet number 17. Both the worksheet we have to complete it today, and after that we'll start worksheet number 18. Okay, so first of all we'll start worksheet number 17. So let's start that first. Okay students, now we'll start worksheet number 16, lowest common multiples LCM. So in that the LCM or lowest common multiples of two numbers is the smallest number that present in the table of the both the numbers. Now here we have to follow 4 steps and we'll get the answers. Now question number 1 is find the LCM of the 6 and 9 using the listing method. So in that, first of all list some multiples of the first number. First number is a 6. So उसके multiples कौन कौन से? Which one is that? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and 42. Now step 2. Step 2 is list some multiples of the second number. So second number is, which one is that? 9, 80, 27, 36, 45 and 54. Now what we have to do? Circle the numbers that are common. Now in the both the fact multiples, which numbers are the commons? 18, 18, 36 and 36. Now multiples of the 36 is 18 and 36. Multiples of the 9 is 18 and 36. So lowest common factors 36 और 18 में सबसे small number कौन सा है? Which one is that? 18. So what we have to write here? LCM is equal to 18, smallest number that circled. Now our answer is 18. Now look at this. Okay students, so we'll start question number first. Find the LCM of the following pair of the numbers using the listening method. So in that first one question is, first one is 4 and which one is that? 4 and 6. So 4 is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20 and next one is 6. So in that 6 is equal to, which one is that? 6, 12, then 18, 24 and 30. So first of all we have to circle it. Which one is the common factors? Common multiples. Common multiples is 12. Common multiples is 12 and any other और कोई है? Common multiples, lowest common multiples? No. So LCM is equal to LCM is equal to 12. This one is our answer. Next one is B1 sum is 8 and 12. 8 and 12. So in that what we have to write here 8. 8 is equal to answer is उसमें 8 में आंसर कौन सा आएगा? Which one is that? 8 first of all 8 16 24 32 and 40 and in 12 answer is 12 24 36 48 and 16. Now we have to find the common number. So in that common number is a 24. Which one is that? 24. So LCM is equal to 24. LCM is equal to 24. Now look at both the sums everyone and copy it down in your workbook. Let's start next one sum. 10 and 15. 10 and 15. So in that first of all we have to write 10 multiples. So 10 multiples are 10. Which one is that? 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. These all are multiples of 10. Now 15 multiples. So 15 multiples are, which one is that? 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. Now we have to identify smallest number. Smallest number is a 30. Multiples are there. So here answer is LCM is equal to 30. LCM is equal to 30. Now D1 question is 8 and 16. 8 and 16. So in that multiples of 8 is equal to, which one is that? 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. 32 and 40. And multiples of 16 is 16, 32, 48, 64 and 80. So here our answer is common factors. Which one is the common factors? We have to find that, right? So a common factor is smallest, lowest number is, lowest multiples is 16. So here answer is LCM is equal to 60. LCM is equal to 60. Now next one, even sum is 12 and 80. Which one is that? 12 and 80. So multiples of 12 is equal to, which one is that? 12, 24, 36, 48, 80. And multiples of 80 is equal to, multiples of 18 is equal to 18, 36, 54, 72 and 19. Now common multiples are, which one is the lowest common multiples? That one is the 36. Which one is that? 36. Circle it out and answer is LCM is equal to, LCM is equal to 36. Now look at the answers everyone. Okay students, now we'll start worksheet number 17, lowest common multiples LCM. Now look at first steps. So now find the LCM of the two numbers using prime factors. Now what we have to find? Two prime factors. Okay. So find the LCM of the 6 and 9 using prime factors. So first of all, we have step 1 is write the first number as the products of its prime factors. So 6. 2 3s are 6. Okay. And write the second number as the products of its prime factors. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Now step 3, circle the common factors and write them below ones. So in that 6 is equal to 2 into 3 and 9 is equal to 3 into 3. So in that common factors is 3. Common factors are, which one is that? 3. Common factor 3. So now step 4, also write down the factors that are not common. So common factors are 3 and not common factors are 2. So common factor 3, factors that are not common, that one is 2 and 3. So LCM is equal to 3 into 2 into 3. Our answer is 18. Our answer is 18. Now first you look at this, everyone. Okay students, so in that first one question is find the LCM of the given pairs of numbers using prime factors. Okay. So in that first one question is 4 and 8. First one is 4 and 8. So our answer is 4 is equal to 2 2s are 4 and 8 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 2 into 2 into 2. Now common factors, which one is the common factors? 2, 2, 2 and 2. So our answer is 8. Which one is our answer? 8. Why? Because of 2 into 2 into 2. Because we have to write common factor also we have to write and non-common factor. Both the factors we have to write. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So answer is 8. Got it? Now next one, first one is completed. Now B1. In that B1, question is 8 and 8. 8 and 10. Question is 8 and 10. So in that 8 is equal to 4 2s are, see, 4 2s are 8. एट के मल्टीपल्स यहाँ पे क्या हो गए? सो हियर 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And then 10. So in that 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So our answer is, यहाँ पे हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? नाउ हम कॉमन मल्टीपल्स भी लेंगे एंड द नॉन कॉमन मल्टीपल्स भी लेंगे. सो कॉमन मल्टीपल्स इज द 2. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट हियर? 2. राइट? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So what we have to write here? 40. Then next one sum is C1. In that 12 and 50s are there, right? 12 and 15. So in that what we have to do here, first of all we have to find 12's multiples. So 12's multiples are नाउ हम यहाँ पे हम प्राइम फैक्टर फाइंड कर रहे हो, राइट? सो 4 3s are 12. अभी 2 2s are 4 होगा ना, राइट? So what we have to write here? 2 into 2 into 3. This one is the multiples of the 12. Then 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Now what we have to do? We have to find common multiples and the non-common multiples. Both the things we have to write here, right? So here 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. This one is a common multiples are there and non-common multiples are there. So in the 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 16. So our answer is 16. Now look at this, both the sums A and B. After that next sum will start. Now look at C1 sum and write it down in your notebook. Next one is D1 sum, 10 and 18. 10 and 18. So in that 10 is equal to 2 5s are 10. 18 is there. So in that 6 3s are 80. 3 3s are 2 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 80. 9 2s are 80. So now here we have to write common multiples and non-common multiples. So 2 into 5 into 3. Okay. Into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 80. 80 5s are 19. So our answer is 19. Okay. Now look at these sums and write it down in your notebook. Next one, even sum is 16. So in that 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Next one is a 24. So in that 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Now common multiples. We have to write common multiples and non-common multiples. All the things we have to write, right? So here what we have to write here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 2s are 48. So here we have to write 48. This one is our answer. Now look at these sums, everyone, and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, so now we completed, हम लोगों ने complete कर लिया है worksheet number 16 and worksheet number 17, right? In that both the worksheet lowest common multiples are there. Two methods we learn here. Which one is that? First one is the listening method and the prime factor. Both the things हम लोगों ने आज learn किया है, right? Now what you have to do? You have to complete that worksheet and also completed worksheet number 18. Worksheet number 18 is finding LCM. That one is a very easy sums are there. Okay, जो हम लोगों ने अभी तक सीखा है उसकी हमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसमें प्रैक्टिस करनी है. सो आप लोगों को ये वर्कशीट करनी है और इसके आंसर से मैं आप लोगों को व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में सेंड कर दूंगी. सो यू हैव टू चेक इट आउट देयर. Okay everyone, I hope so all the things you have to understood easily. And second thing I want to say you have to submit the homework before 3 o'clock. Before 3 o'clock anyhow आप लोगों को homework है वो submit करवाना है. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day.